Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with James. It's 2026, and our fitness routines are smarter than ever before.
They really are, Rebecca. I'm wearing my fitness tracker, I've got my wellness apps ready, and I didn't even have to leave my house to go to the gym today.
That is the power of virtual training. Today, we are moving past basic words like exercise and strong. By the end of this video, you will master the vocabulary of smart fitness gear, learn how to describe your virtual workouts, and understand how to track your progress like a pro. That's our big payoff.
I love it. But Rebecca, I see so many people wearing these smartwatches and fitness bands. What do they actually do?
Great question. These are types of wearable tech. They monitor your activity. For example, they can track your heart rate, which is how fast your heart beats in a minute, or BPM.
Monitor. Okay, so my watch monitors my BPM. Everyone, let's practice that. Monitor, monitor. And it also tells me how many calories I've burned, right?
Exactly. It tracks your calories burned and your step count. This helps you stay accountable, which means you take responsibility for your goals.
Accountable. I like that. It's like having a digital coach on my wrist. But what about the workouts themselves? What is a virtual workout?
A virtual workout is a class you do online. You can follow a virtual instructor on your tablet or even use virtual reality or VR to exercise in a digital world.
VR. So I can climb a mountain in my living room?
Precisely. It makes exercise immersive, which means it feels like you are really there. People love it because they forget they are even exercising.
Immersive. That sounds much better than a boring treadmill.
It is. And for people who love the gym, we now have hybrid fitness. This is a blend of in-person gym sessions and digital workouts at home.
A blend. So I go to the gym on Monday, but I do a virtual yoga class on Tuesday.
Exactly. It gives you flexibility. Everyone, say it with me. Flexibility.
Flexibility. This is so much more convenient for my busy schedule.
Now, James, let's talk about the data. Some apps measure your HRV, or heart rate variability. This tells you if your body is ready for a high-intensity workout or if you need a rest day.
Rest day. I know that one. That's when I sit on the sofa, right?
Sort of. But in 2026, we focus on active recovery. This is low-intensity movement, like a gentle mobility session to help your muscles recover faster.
Active recovery. So a light walk is better than just sitting down. That's a great tip.
Now, James, it's time for our peak moment. This is the secret to sounding like a fitness pro in 2026.
I'm ready. Give me the light bulb moment.
Stop saying I'm doing a hard workout. Start using the phrase optimization.
Optimization?
Yes, in 2026, we don't just work hard, we optimize. We use data from our wearables to personalize our training. We optimize our sleep, our nutrition, and our training load.
Optimize. I am optimizing my health using smart technology. That sounds so advanced.
It does. And another great phrase is real-time feedback. This is when your app tells you during the exercise if your form, your body position, is correct.
Real-time feedback. That's amazing. It prevents muscle aches and injuries because the AI corrects my form immediately.
Precisely. So, to recap, we went from watch to wearable tech, from online class to immersive VR training, and we learned the professional goal of optimization.
Wow. I can talk about my BPM, my active recovery, and how I monitor my progress with real-time feedback. I feel like a 2026 athlete.
You are. Remember, everyone, consistency is the most important part of fitness and English. Use your wellness apps to stay motivated.
Absolutely. Before we go, we have a community question. Do you use a fitness tracker or a wellness app? Does it help you stay motivated, or do you prefer to exercise without tech? Tell us in the comments.
Use at least one of today's words like optimize or wearable in your answer. We love reading your stories.
Thanks for watching, and keep moving and speaking.
Great job today. Go optimize your routine. Bye, everyone.